see what happened to her? Her face. So how bad it is? Black and blue? Yo, send me a picture. Yo, that body, you know, can't make that happen again, you know. That should have never happened. See, I don't get no money yet. Yo, this will take too long. Money should have roll in already. Should I get some money already?
So, you hear anything?
Yeah, me hear. Her face bruised up, black and...
Let me get the money though.
I don't get no money yet. I can't go see her.
Look, you need to stay as far from this right now as possible. Let me deal with it. You yourself, you deal with this one.
Savage. Out of clothes. I can't even go for my clothes then.
I understand what you're saying. Clothes are the least of your problem right now. Anything you need, we'll take care of that. But it's for right now, two things are the most important. The two things are that she alright and everything go according to plan and them get the money them forget and the rest work exactly how it will work out. Everybody happy.
Why you decide to help me?
Because you need help and you have a plan and you are the plan.
What you mean by me the plan? And I use you come to use me like how Marcus use me. You see how that boy the Marcus? All him? You have a plan for him. So know what you want to do too.
Hear what? Me know the house. Small. Little country house. I give me a bit this, you know. But hey, look on the yard space. Think about it. You and me both have a plan. And when you think about it now, I think me need to help you with a plan there. With Marcus. But you have to help me help you.
You have a plan. And you want my help.